like to thank Akhil for making preparation bit easier. So whatever we have done yesterday in Power Queries, we will try to do the same task by using Tableau Prep today. So that's the agenda of today's session. So let's move on to the first challenge, which is shown on the screen. So we have name, address, and age and gender. So this is how the input data looks like, and we want the output in this way, like name, amount, address, age, and gender. So before moving into Tableau, we will try to understand how to get this, taking a string and using some of the functions from Tableau. So, yeah. So I took this sentence: the sun rises in the east. So here we will try how to extract the rises word from this string. So to use this, what's the logic behind this is, first we should be able to get the position where the sun is and where being is. Using these two positions and length of string, we will be able to manipulate and get the word rises in the string. So quickly we will see which are functions to be used. First, let me create a calculator field to find the position of sun. Yeah, that's the text. I would like to find it. So now we got the position sun and in. Now I have to just able to pin the prices later on. To do that, we will just use the mid function, which is there in Tableau. So as usual, the input string, which is here, and start where I would like to start is from the position sun position plus length of sun. For example, currently it's showing like 5 as position of sun, but I would like to start from 8th position. So what I will do is I will just add length of the sun to the sun position. So what happens is now the starting position will move from to 8. That's the catch here. So sun pose plus 3. That's the starting position. And for next we have to mention the length. So length is nothing but the in position. That's the start. That will give us the total length of the sunrises. With that, we have to subtract the sun position to plus 3. So for example, assume we are 15th position. So now what you have to do is 15 minus position of sun is plus 3. So it's nothing but the starting of rises. So this how we will give the length. So in pose minus starting position of rises, which is nothing but sun position. Rises. To make it more simple, if you are lazy to count what is the position, then you can directly use a function which returns the length of string. So this also will serve our purpose. This is the catch and logic. So now we will just see how to implement this logic in prep and get the desired output. Let me open the Tableau prep. I have the data file already. Let me add the clean step. So we have to extract the name. We have to just find the name position and address position and implement the sensor tab. So create calculator field. Fine. We don't need to mention the starting. There is no need. So save. Now we got name position, and here if you press this arrow mark, we'll be able to make the changes to the unit. Copy this step and paste again. Now if we edit. Position. Now we will implement the same technique which we have done that to get the name. Calculate. Use the mid function. And starting is name position plus 4. The length of name is 4. Length should be address minus the starting on name. So now we got the name here. Quickly we have to repeat the same to the address, age and gender. We'll just copy the step and paste again. After time, what we have is address, then we have age, then so already we got address. Now we get the so find name or substance. Copy the name, paste it. After name, get address or underscore. As the space of address is on, we will just add on to the position of address. Then after address, okay. The calculator will get for system for address. Yeah. Of the edge. get the address, name, address plus sound, age, position, minus. Then address version, the sound which is nothing but the starting point. This will give the length of the address. Save. So now we got address as well. Next we got to get the age and gender. So same step we will just copy paste twice. So we'll be able to do this now with this. Age which as the age is 3, so plus 3. Then next we have the gender position. So gender position minus the age position plus 3, which is the start. So now we got the age for gender. Gender position plus 6. Six is the starting. We no need to mention the length. So we got the gender. So we will just now we have so many number of fields. Just will try to know the number of different fields such as position, all those in the next step. So we will add a clean step to remove the fields. Just convert this to list view, and whichever fields you would like to remove, just if you the cross mark by default it will remove on the last position. And also this name represents the original string which comes from raw data. We no need that as well, so we will do this. At last we add outputs. We'll run it. We'll change the view to common. So this is the first name we got, address, age, gender separately. So this is the first challenge I had for today.